Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable touchpad on any kinds of laptop. Sometimes we want to disable laptop touchpad because it's not comfortable like a mouse. As you can see, I am using here mouse for my laptop, so I'm not using touchpad for my laptop. I hope this video will be very helpful for you because in this video I'm going to show you two kinds of process for disable laptop touchpad. So if you really want to learn full process, make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's jump in the first process. In first process, you can disable touchpad from your keyboard shortcut. As you can see, it's a Lenovo laptop. This laptop is Lenovo ThinkBook series. So for Lenovo ThinkBook laptop, you just need to hold on Fn key and M together. So let me do it. If I hold on this key together, as you can see, my touchpad is disabled. For enable touchpad, again hold together this two key again. If I do it again, you can see my touchpad is now enabled. Almost all laptop touchpad disable system is similar. For Dell, you have to hold on Fn and F5 key together. For Lenovo ThinkPad, you have to hold on Fn and F6. If you don't find any shortcut key for disable touchpad on your laptop, then I will show you another method. In this method, anyone can disable touchpad from their laptop settings. So let's go to my laptop screen. If your laptop is Windows 11, then you can easily disable touchpad of your laptop. First of all, go to search box in your laptop and type here touchpad settings. Now click on this touchpad settings. After that, you will see all touchpad settings shown here. Now you can easily enable or disable it from here. If you turn off this option, your laptop touchpad will disable. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my video first. And if you have any queries related to Android or PC, please let me know in the comment box. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.